We're going to do some napkin folding, little dining room thing you can do to really make the customer say, wow, a lot of time went into this meal I'm about to have. One of the most common starts with a square napkin, fold the corner over till it meets the other corner, till you have a triangle. Turn it with a long side facing up, fold that corner down to the corner closest to you, and the other side also, till it's a square again. From here, fold it in half, perpendicular to that line, and then fold that in half. What you get is a nice little triangle that stands up nicely on the table. Another napkin fold you can do, just fold it in half, making the square into a rectangle. Fold the rectangle in half, turning it back into a square. Make sure that the side that has all the flaps is at the top. Take that first one and just tuck it under and fold it right down inside. Take the second one and do the same thing, but make the fold a little bit higher than the first fold, essentially creating a stripe. Do the same thing with the third one, just a little bit higher. So what you have now is a square with two stripes across it. Carefully turn it over, and much like you would fold a letter to put in an envelope, fold the two sides over. I believe this is called an empire fold. Square it up a little. And when you flip it back over, what you have is a napkin that has three pockets in it, much like a shirt pocket. In this pocket, you can slide the flatware directly inside. Very attractive way to present the flatware and the napkin. You could stagger it in each pocket too. Really bring out the fact that it has three separate pockets. And the last one that I'm going to show you is a little bit trickier. Starting with a square, fold each corner into the center, creating a smaller square. And then again, fold each corner into the center, making your square even smaller. There's literally thousands of different napkin folds you can do. Flip it over carefully. And now one more time, fold each corner into the center, making an even smaller square. At this point, it's going to start trying to get away from you, so you can just keep your fingers in the center holding it down. So reach under each corner now and just pull out the loose piece while holding the center down. And then reach under one more time, and there's a single little piece of napkin that comes out in the middle of those last four you pulled out. You pull those out, and it stands up nicely in a sort of lotus blossom looking shape. What this is commonly used for is to cradle soup bowls, especially when they're really hot. as is the case with French onion soup or a soup that's been placed in the broiler to melt cheese. And it goes out to the table just like that. Very attractive.